Greetings from Gate Forum Trichy to all. Now we are going to see about the important informations about PSUs through GATE exams. We are going to see about GATE exam, the details of GATE exam and the scores required for the PSUs recruitment, type of PSUs and the salary structures given in PSUs and other informations also. This is most important for the engineering graduates who are looking for a PSU job. What is GATE exam? So GATE exam is one of the comprehensive exam to test the engineering, mathematics, verbal ability and subject and the particular fields for the engineering students chosen. And the main benefits of GATE exam, 3 important points are there. First thing, many students appear for GATE exam to do their MTech, ME in NITs and IITs. The second important information regarding GATE exam, PhD scholars are using GATE score to get into best colleges and to get stipend for their PhD. And another important thing, Government of India is giving 12,400 per month for 2 years to do ME, MTech in many reputed colleges with the GATE score. And the most important thing, around 200 PSUs accepting GATE score to enter into the graduate trainee job. The number of GATE exam takers every year is increasing right now. From 2018 until 2021 it is increased. In 2021 the GATE appeared students are 8,82,684 and gradually it is increasing, and from GATE 2021 IITs has given us important thing like third years also can appear for GATE. So the number of aspirants for GATE appear exams is becoming more. And if you see the branch wise appears for the GATE exam is also increasing. For electronic and communication, around 1.5 lakh students are appearing, and for mechanical around 2.5 lakh students, and for civil engineering around 1.5 lakhs. So the important point regarding PSU's recruitment through GATE exam. So GATE scores are must for PSU's recruitment. Some PSUs will have separate exam also. The syllabus is same as in GATE exam. Why PSUs is recruiting through GATE exam? Being a computer-based test, GATE scores are often seen as unbiased in nature. Since it is seen as a reliable exam, the scores are used for recruitment process so that no one feels unfair. So PSUs will see only the GATE score and they give less importance for their academic CGPA. And types of PSUs. The PSUs are in 3 categories: Maharatna companies, Navaratna companies and Miniratna companies. Maharatna PSUs are like BHEL, GAIL, IOCL, SAIL and more. Navaratna PSUs are like BEL, All Indian Limited, Power Grid and more. Miniratna PSUs are like Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, PEC Limited, THDC and RITES and many more. So list of Maharatnas are given. So Maharatna companies are NTPC, ONGC, SAIL, BHEL, IOCL, HPCL, CIL, GAIL, BPCL and Power Grid. And Maharatna companies are BEL, CONCOR, EIL, HAL, MTNL, NALCO, NBCC, NMDC, NLCIL, OIL, PFC, RANL, REC, SCA. and the Mini Ratna companies are many more. This you can see the list of PSUs in Mani Ratna companies that's going on. So we have two list of Mani Ratna companies. In Mani Ratna companies you can see many companies. And salary structure in PSUs. Maharatna company salary structure will be from 60 to 1.8 lakhs per month, and Navaratna company is from 20 to 1.4 lakhs, Mini Ratna 40 to 1.8 lakhs. So these are the CTC for the PSU salary, and we have listed individual PSU salaries also. So CTC is also given. GAIL 24,900 to 50,500, and NTPC 24,900 to 50,500. ONGC also is the same. And some salary structure of other PSUs is also given. Even Airport Authority India, NHPC, ONGC, Coal India Limited, IOCL. So these companies PSUs also you can check it out. And salary structure of various central or state government organizations. So using the preparation for GATE exam, anyone can crack other exams also, like ISRO, DRDO, BARC exam, other exams also. So these details also given here, you can check it out, go through this video. And the important benefit of working in PSUs is perks. So engineer graduate, while working in PSUs, they'll get a basic salary and they're getting allowances, life and health insurance, transport facility, reimbursement of their medical treatment, newspaper, phone bill, etc. they are getting, and variable pay also they are getting, and other benefits, that is accommodation, medical facility, house building advance. So these also given by the company. And other than that, the provident fund, gratuity pension and post-retirement medical benefits, it's also major benefit in working in PSUs. And GATE cutoff for PSUs. So each company getting a separate cutoff and with the difference of category also. We are listed down some of the cutoff of PSUs. So NTPC, the recruitment process in 2019, the cutoff is given. So all India rank and marks, it's given for electrical department, mechanical, electronics, instrumentation, for other departments. And NPCL recruitment through GATE exam, the cutoff for mechanical, chemical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation and civil is given. ONGC recruitment through GATE. So ONGC cutoff for mechanical, the cutoff is given. GATE score is given for mechanical and for electronics, electrical and civil. Power grid cutoff in mark wise given for the various categories of OBC, SC, ST, general category, for electronics and civil also. THDC, it's a mini Ratna company, so this cutoff is also given for civil, electrical and mechanical. Airport Authority exam, here you can see junior executive for electronics and engineering, civil and architect. BEML cutoff given for mechanical, so they have given in GATE score, marks and all India rank. For electrical also, HAL recruitment through GATE exam. So management trainee, the cutoff 62.72 to 79.47 for civil department, and the cutoff is varies for design trainee and management trainee. BEL recruitment, BHEL recruitment through GATE exam, the cutoff for mechanical, for general category they have take 84.43 and electrical should take 67.05. and this vary for SC, ST and other categories also. CL recruitment through GATE exam is also given. Kindly go through GAIL recruitment, BPCL cutoffs, MDL cutoffs, NSC cutoffs, WB SADCL cutoff, and many more companies are there. For detailed information about PSUs, how to prepare for GATE exam, how to enter into PSUs, other things, we are guiding the students. Kindly share this information with your friends. GATE Forum Trichy is one of the best GATE coaching institute in Tamil Nadu. We are giving coaching for GATE exam, TNEB AE exam, RRB JE exam and other exams also. Contact us for more details and for your preparation 76673 69058.